I used to watch videos just like this one and think it was impossible for an ordinary guy like me to get paid making YouTube videos. This is the envelope Google AdSense sent me, and my channel is officially monetized. What changed? I decided I cannot let my fear of what others are gonna say and think about me stop me from taking action. And number two, starting is the easy part, staying consistent is the hard part. This is day 158 in a row putting out a new video on this channel. So if you'd like to support, go ahead and subscribe now and smash the like button. We're gonna go ahead and jump in my computer and I'm gonna walk through my specific YouTube earnings as simply and transparently as possible. I've only been monetized for about a week and a half now, so I'll walk through exactly what everything means and what it actually looks like behind the scenes. Stick around until after, and then I'm gonna walk through step by step how you can do the exact same and follow the steps I took to get my own channel monetized, and you absolutely have what it takes to do it too.
Right here is my YouTube channel. Each and every day I always go to customize channel and look at my dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see how your recent video performed, and more importantly, you can go to your channel analytics. Once your channel hits 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, the watch time is really hard, the monetization will be turned on and you'll start getting paid for views. When we dive further into this, we're just gonna focus on revenue. And it's really interesting, and I've started to research what these different metrics mean. And right here is estimated revenue. So starting on Friday the 14th, so that was about 10 days ago, I've been making money on YouTube for 10 days. So that's about $76, so $7.6 a day on average. And we're gonna look at the last 7 days because the data is a little bit better. So this is revenue over the last 7 days. And RPM is essentially revenue per 1,000 views. And we can go through and see how much revenue is generated. You get 55% of revenue generated, so I'm getting 55% of these numbers. And then playback-based CPM is per 1,000 views, how much do advertisers pay you? So the average is between 4 and 6, and as you can see, my average is 36, which is incredible and just a testament to how incredible of an audience and community we have built here of smart, like-minded, driven individuals. So we can see the revenue. You get paid each day for making a video, $13 for making a video. I only have 1,700 subscribers. We're just starting. Imagine 2 years from now making videos each and every day. You get paid monthly. As soon as you hit $100, you get paid. So I'm looking forward to getting paid my very first month. You get paid per video, and you can see the breakdown of revenue sources. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and I'm all about the transparency. Let me know if you'd like other videos breaking down some of the other metrics as well.
Pretty cool, right? Making money from the internet, the feeling is unexplainable. It's something I dreamt of for so long, and now the next goal is making enough money annually to pay for all of my living expenses. It takes about $2,500 a month, $30,000 annually to pay for rent, food, entertainment, transportation, everything to support my life. And that is my next goal, to make enough money from this channel to support my entire life. That's my why. That's what keeps me going. And of course, helping as many of you guys in the process. And when you think about how can you do the same, there's a lot of advice out there, but I've broken down a couple steps, the actual steps I followed. And number one is decide what you actually want and commit to it. A lot of people think, oh, it'd be nice to do this, but then I can't do that. Oh, maybe I should do this. Fully decide what you want and commit to it. What happened for me was I had an emotional reaction. I was watching a Graham Stephan video. I was a little bit down in my luck, and I was thinking, I just want to make money selling goods online and Shopify. I want to make videos, whatever. And I saw a Graham Stephan video, and he made over $1 million solely from ad revenue making videos. And I felt so empty and lost inside, and so much jealousy that I said, he doesn't deserve it any more than me. He doesn't deserve it any more than you. And I know that those aren't necessarily the emotions you want to hear that force you to start, but it struck me in such a way that I said, it would be stupid for me not to start making videos right now. So I started my YouTube channel and said, I'm gonna make videos until this channel gets to that point. And this is now video, I think 251 over the last year. I've been doing it for about a year and 1 month. And when I first started making the videos, there was absolutely no traction. Nobody watched. People made fun of me. I lost friends. It forced me to be less social. I lost a lot in my life, but I was able to gain this asset and gain this community, which I do value quite a bit, and it's something I love and something I'm obsessed with and will continue to do each and every day. So you need to decide what you want and what you're willing to give up in order to truly get it, and then commit. The second step you need to follow is picking your niche. If you're talking to everybody, then you're talking to nobody. YouTube is so saturated. It is hard to break through the noise. There's millions of minutes of videos being uploaded each and every day. So how do you stand out? You need to answer people's questions. At the end of the day, Google is a search engine. YouTube is a search engine. So pick a niche. And what I know more about than most people is sales. So for the first 4 to 6 months of the channel, all I made was personal finance videos. I wasn't rich. I didn't have a lot of money. I didn't have a lot to show. So people were like, why are you telling me how to sell things online? Why are you giving me dating advice? Why are you making personal finance videos when you have no money? They were all right. And I realized I need to be very niche and start talking about sales, specifically software sales, cold calling, life of an SDR, getting a job with no experience, because those are all things that I did. So I started only making sales related videos to grow the community to this point. Now it's reached a certain inflection point where I want to branch out and make actual personal finance videos. So pick your niche and be very specific and talk about the topics you are interested in and that there is a community for that isn't too broad, so that you can find your voice. Number 3 is a quote we already said: starting is the easy part. That may shock some of you. Staying consistent is the hard part. Eventually you can watch a video like this, you can watch a motivational video, someone else can say, hey, blah, 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 something traumatic can happen to you, a new year, and you say, you know what, I have a renewed sense of motivation, I can go do it. You'll watch this video and say, yeah, I can start a channel just like Trent. You'll start it, you'll make a video, you'll get a little traction, some beginner's luck, and then 2-3 weeks later, someone will say, hey, do you want to go to this baseball game? Oh man, it sounds really nice to go watch that new season of Lost on Netflix right now. And slowly you will skip the process, and slowly you will seek out comfort opposed to the discomfort of forcing yourself to make videos, of forcing yourself to stay consistent. So once you decide what you want, once you pick your niche that you know you'll stick with, you need to keep going, and you need to find your why, you need to find your motivation. And when I first started, it was solely for the money. I wanted to make money like Graham Stephan. I wanted to make $1,000 a day, $1 million a year, whatever it was. That wasn't sustainable, which is why I quit, and which is why I thought about giving up many, many times, until I realized, hey, I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this because I like the process. I'm doing this because I love hearing positive feedback when these videos actually help people. So that's what sustained me. And now I've done that for long enough, 150 days, that's like 4 or 5 months, and now I'm obsessed with it. Now I have to physically do it each and every day, for better or for worse. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to destroy the like button. It really helps the channel. The YouTube algorithm likes it. And the 4th and final step is think of things in the law of 100. If you're gonna start something new, make 100 videos. If you're gonna go do something else, do it 100 times. You can't just do it for a week or two and say, you know what, I'm not cut out for it. I don't have what it takes. I'm not special. You can't think like that. You just gotta keep going. And I said, I'm gonna make videos until I get to 100. Then I got to 100 and said, you know what, I'm gonna make videos till I get to 200. And then I got to 200, I said, you know what, I'm gonna make videos till I get to 500. So I'm just gonna keep going. And it's not like I'm special. I don't have crazy editing skills. I don't have any knowledge that you may never have heard before. I'm someone that's just ridiculously consistent, blocks out the noise, knows what they want, and focuses on it and takes action towards it each and every day. That's really the key. You gotta take action towards what you want. If you just go through life through the motions thinking good things will happen to you, you're never gonna get what you truly want. So you really need to identify what you want and go for it as if your life depends on it. And that's how I operate this YouTube channel. My life depends on creating a new video, putting it out each and every day, and we'll continue to do it for eternity, or until we make $1 million a year, or until we make more than Graham Stephan on YouTube. So if you want to share this video with him, that'd be great. Maybe he would even put me on his channel. Maybe he would allow me on his podcast if enough of you guys like the video. Let's say maybe 10,000 likes, and we'll go ahead and get on that channel. Anyways, thanks so much for watching the video. Really hope you got some value out of it. You should totally go do your thing now. They say the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. You got to start if you ever want to make something happen. So I wish you all the best. Would love to hear from you in the comments if I can help you in any way, and connect with me on LinkedIn as well if you'd like to join professional networks.